Do you want to know how you can log into your PSC Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your PSC Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for PSC Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of PSC Payroll, where you can log in using your username or email address. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in this box and click next. After that, the password section will pop up. Go ahead and write down your password in this box over here and check your password. And then if it is correct and if your username and password is associated with your account, just go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your PSC Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link to reset your password. And if you want to sign in using a different account, this is the link for you. And another site of PSC is this one over here. It has been turned into the Access group. You can click on the second link and click login over here, which is on the top, and click on login to Access Teams here. Then you will be taken to a different site and then you can log into your account in PSC. I hope this video about how you can log into your PSC Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.